In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a TikTok streaks not showing. The first step you can do is to update TikTok to the latest version. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. Search for TikTok. If you see an update button, tap it. Open TikTok again and check your inbox for streaks. Second, enable streak notifications in settings. Sometimes streaks are hidden until you turn on notifications. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, select Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Content and Display, then tap Notifications. Look for streaks and toggle it on. Go back to your inbox and refresh. Third option, clear cache and TikTok. Go to your profile, tap the three-line icon, then tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Cache and Cellular. Tap Free Up Space, then Clear Cache. Restart TikTok and check again. And lastly, if the feature still doesn't show, delete the TikTok app from your device. Reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log back in and check for streaks. And that's it. That's how to fix a TikTok streak feature not showing.